Hi folks, I just have a quick video here for you today, demonstrating another Cummins DPF filter being cleaned. Now I still get daily messages and comments telling me how this process just doesn't work, even though I've witnessed it being done successfully hundreds of times. But anyway, I thought I'd make a video and show you an actual view of the soot and ash being pushed out of the filter while it's being cleaned. Keep in mind that before this video was started, the filter had already been washed for a few seconds and a lot of the soot and ash had already been pushed out of it, but you can still see quite a bit of it coming out. Obviously the black substance you see is the soot being pushed out, while the almost milky or coffee looking substance is the ash. Before cleaning a filter you should be performing a part regeneration. If you are able to do this, you'll see a lot less of the black soot and a lot more of the ash. So again, with all of this being pushed out, it's hard to imagine that this doesn't work. And after witnessing many filters go back into trucks and run successfully down the road for hundreds of thousands of miles, it obviously doesn't damage them either. So that'll do it for this video. I want to thank our first supporter on Patreon. If you're interested in supporting the channel, head over there and check that out. And of course I want to thank all of you for watching this. If you find these videos helpful in any way, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Stick around for the next one. And thanks for watching.